All right, welcome to another episode of Apples with Adam. And yes, let me see who all are going to come on my live stream today. Hello, Deepika. Hello, Roshni. Hi, Roshni. So today, um, welcome. All right, so people are starting to come now. Welcome, namaskara, ellarku, to come to Apples with Adam. ಈ ಶೋ ಟುಡೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ನೋ we've gotten to know them. ಇವಾಗೆ now I need to get to know you. 2 ಗಂಟೆ of course entertainment sections ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So 2 o'clock we will have our entertainment section. So from 1:30 to 2 o'clock the entire show nimkoskara. Okay, so my first, please send me requests. Nam video nalli irbekandre, if you want to come to my video, send me a request, because this is going to be idu one show I'm taking ee tara show I'm taking to television, TV ke already ಎರಡು ಚಾನಲ್ ನನಗೆ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು, and I said okay, but this show ಈ ಥರ show only it can go on if people like you, nim tara nam followers, my fans, okay, follow me and tell your friends also, and you have to come nam show mele. Hi Savita, hi. So let me go live with the first person, Lohit Sharma. Lohit Sharma, please accept. I'm going to bring you all on one by one. Okay. Hi Swati, thank you. So please, Daivito, you can tell your friends. And where is Lohit? Lohit, hello. Hello. Okay. Unable to join, network problems, I think. Okay. Instagram, all right. Hi, had lunch. Ila, this is my lunch. Where is Roshni? Are you here? Roshni, new Ilidra. Okay, where is this? Akhil Ajar, I'm taking you on. Akhil Ajar. Hi Bernard. Okay, my first caller for today is a network problem. Okay, this is what you call classic network problem. Hello. Oh my god, Lord. Come on. All right, agala ivarke. This is not happening. This ain't happening. Okay, sorry Akhil. One nimsha. Let me see if it is. Just give me a minute, guys. Just give me a minute. Oh gosh. Where is this? Okay, let me disconnect from the Wi-Fi. Right. Can I join live? Of course. The floor today, everybody, it is for you. So, yeah. Jyoti, adding you on, Jyoti. Yep. Anyone, yaar bekandre, y'all can talk to me today. Today is your day. Okay, feedback beku. Adam, can you do a cooking show? Maybe. You never know. Hello? Hi. Hey Gidra, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
I am good. What is your name? Jyoti?
No, my mother name is Jyoti, I'm Trupti.
You're Trupti.
Yeah.
Hi Trupti.
You're speaking very well Kannada.
Nan Kannada ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
ನೀವೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿದು ಫೋನ್, you took your mummy's phone and sent me messages.
Yeah.
ನಾನು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
Yeah.
I blocked you.
Why?
How is that possible? If I blocked you, you won't come on my live, no? April Fool.
Yeah.
So which standard you're in?
6th standard.
6th standard. ಯಾವಾಗ
Yeah.
then ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು? How did you follow me?
I checked your profile and I followed you. I'm a big fan of yours.
Oh, thank you. Why are you a fan of me? Why?
No, you played very well in Big Boss.
So
You're very good.
you
You're very good.
I'm very good. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. lady.
You were.
That is so sweet.
Yeah.
You saw me in Big Boss.
The voice is breaking.
You saw me in Big Boss? You saw me in Big Boss?
Yeah.
Did you see my best
Yeah.
friend, Andy?
No network problem. I think your voice is not listening.
Can you
It's breaking.
Can you hear me? Yeah? Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Now little I can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you see my best friend? Nam best friend nodidra, Andy?
Yeah, I saw.
You like Andy?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you have a best friend?
Yeah, I have.
What is your best friend's name? Nim best friend ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
Ananya.
Ananya. Oh, very good. So you'll tell Ananya to watch my shows as well.
What? Sorry.
You'll tell Ananya to watch my shows.
Pardon?
Will you tell Ananya to watch my shows?
Yeah, I'll tell.
You'll tell her. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Kruti, thank you so much for coming on live with me. And every day
Thank
you can
you.
see. You're welcome, darling. Bye bye.
Bye.
Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute. All right, Jyoti, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ your daughter is very, very sweet. So she's a darling. Okay, so next let me take Mr. Jayant. Jayant Katapalli. Excuse me for drinking, but I like the mixed fruit.
Hey Adam,
Hi Jayant, how are you Jayant? ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
I'm good. How are you? ನೀವ್ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಜಯಂತ್ and ನಾನು we worked in a company, Emphasis, together. ನಾನು voice and accent coach ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು, teaching people English again. And Jayant was also there. He was ನಮ್ಮ senior ನಮ್ದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿನಲ್ಲಿ. So Jayant, ಹೇಗೋ how do you like the shows? Logs, what do you think?
It's awesome. In fact, ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Yes.
ನಿಮ್ ಶೋ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟೀಸ್, ನೀವು ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟೀಸ್, ನೈಸ್ ಟು ಅಗೇನ್ ಸಿ ದೆಮ್. ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಟಿವಿ ಶೋ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ.
Yeah.
ನಾವು ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟಿವಿ ಶೋ. ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಹೇಗ್ ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಟ್ ಬಿ ಆನ್ ಆಸಮ್ ಶೋ ಫಾರ್ ಶೋರ್. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. What is different about your show is that you ask very straightforward questions and you make the people who talk to you, you make them feel very comfortable. I guess that is what is extremely important in a talk show. ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟೀಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ ಶೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, I have not spoken to Adam the first time. I just picked up the phone, we said hi to each other and we are talking ಅಂತ. For the viewer ಆತರ ಅನ್ಸಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. It felt as though you and the celebrity knew each other for a very long time anta. So that is going to be a huge USP. Thank you for making the celebrities comfortable on your show, which also makes us look forward to your shows.
Thank you so much, and that was wonderful feedback. So I hope nim bere friends ke help, if you can tell your other friends, sorry about my Kannada, to like follow the channel, follow my channel, and yeah, let me see. I would love to do. Yaar kelta ide, you know, if I can do a cooking show. Yes, definitely. Why not? I will do a cooking show. Okay. Thank you, Jen. Thank you for coming online.
Sure.
Giving
Thanks,
me
Adam.
wonderful
You have a
feedback.
nice day ahead.
Thank you. Bye. So, guys, that was
Bye.
Jayant. And Jayant used to work with me. So, very, very sweet of him to come online. Thank you, Jayant. That feedback it really means much. Next, let me take I am _ AK. Okay. Coming. Who's it? Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
She is my mom here.
Hello, namaste, Amma. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Yeah, I'm okay.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡು ಕನ್ನಡ
ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಮ್ಮ, ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮಮ್ಮ,
ಹಾ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ
ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮೈಸೂರು, ಮನೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಸೂರು.
ನಮ್ಮ
ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಮಾಮ್.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್.
ಓಕೆ,
ಬನ್ನಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ.
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ,
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್
ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು, ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡೋದು ನಾವ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ
ನೀವಿದ್ದನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ ದಿವ್ಸ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋದು.
ಹೌ ಸ್ವೀಟ್.
ನೀವ್ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮಾ.
ಬಾಯ್.
ಬಾಯ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಬಾಯ್.
ಖಂಡಿತ.
So sweet. That was really touching. So sweet. Thank you for your mother to watch me. So guys, yes, what I'm saying is that I would like to ee tara show nan TV ge takon hogta idini. Please help me with the kannada. Okay, and yes, celebrities ke I will have them sit and talk, and one dina I want to have celebrities and the audience interact. So Lakshmi Lakshman, Adam, today's guest, new Yella, all of y'all are my guests. And then at 2 o'clock you have the entertainment section. So yes, y'all are all my guests. Achu Arya official. Yeah. Okay guys. Akhil send request. Okay. Let me see, 1 minute. Srilata GR. Thank you, Kirti. Thank you. Bindushree, you can send request. Yes, I can. Okay. Going live with Roshni. Roshni, I did send request. Okay, let me first get in touch with Roshni and then I will. Hello. Hi Roshni.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah.
How are you, Roshni? Hey, Gidra.
Fine.
So, Yelli Idra, what are you doing? Where are you?
Your voice is breaking.
Take off the headphones. Take off the headphones. Okay, can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Yeah, remove the headphones from the phone. Remove it.
Yeah, that's done.
Yeah, now I can hear you. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So Roshni, how do you like my show? What do you think about it? Nimke show bage ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿ.
I promptly say that I just come for your show just to see your outfit.
To see my outfit.
Your outfit kills me.
Okay, so today's outfit is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ different ಇದೆ. So wait, I will show you the outfit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
1 second. The camera is towards you.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
pretty.
So yes, so that's my outfit. So what do you think my outfit should be rated?
It's pretty.
It's pretty. Okay, wait. I'm just turning my camera back towards me. I can't see. Yeah. So, Roshni, you like my shows? Any improvement? What do you feel?
You attract people. Just your show makes us to know.
Kannada-nalli matadi. Okay, and Roshni gets up. Hello.
Yeah.
Kannada.
ನಿಮ್ ಶೋ ತುಂಬಾ ದಿನದಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ ಶೋ ನೋಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ನೀವು ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ. You're such a polite soul, such a cute soul, you're.
Alright. Okay, I'm laughing at something else. Okay. Because my manager is sitting and making faces this side. Whenever somebody says, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಪೊಲೈಟ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು, actually no. But yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. So, Roshni, have you had lunch?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Okay, so go and have lunch.
I had my online classes at 1 o'clock.
Now I've got to go and I have to bring people on the call. Okay? We'll connect again.
Okay.
Alright? Thank you,
Okay,
Roshni, for
sure.
coming. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was little Roshni from Bangalore, I guess. So the next person coming up is, who do I bring? Wow. Akhil had some fashion, yadu fashion questions in there. He had. So let me bring Akhil. Yep.
Hi, Adam.
Yes, Akhil, ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Please,
ಪಕ್ಕ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ.
ಕನ್ನಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. Speak to me in Kannada.
Adam, first of all, ನಿಮ್ಮ outfits, the way you talk, you're an amazing person. That's why I love watching you. I love following you. Your outfits, ನಿಮ್ಮ confidence, especially, there's a lot to love. So thank you for being yourself, for being savage, for being so brilliant and so straightforward, for bringing confidence inside other people. Thank you so very much. It truly means a lot.
Thank you so much. You had some questions. ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ DM'd me Instagram ನಲ್ಲಿ, said you had some questions and when I did a show on Radio Mirchi ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು interview ಕೊಟ್ಟು, you had questions. So please tell me about that experience, why those questions came up. ನಾನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Because Adam, for my orientation or for the way I am, ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ derogatory comments on a daily basis ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. So
ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
sometimes
what is happening to you? Are you gay? ನೀವು gay ಇದೆ?
Yes, which is not accepted by a lot of people.
Okay. Number one.
Certain times it's fine, but
First thing,
on a daily basis,
ಬೇರೆ ಜನದು ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಬೇಡ. That's one thing. Because ಬೇರೆ ಜನ does not give you ಊಟ, they don't feed you, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾತು ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ರೈಟ್? ಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಬಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಬಿ ಇಟ್. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ನೀವು ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಟು ಸಂಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಗ್ನೋರ್. Nothing will trouble you. How old are you?
I'm 23, Adam. I just got to turn 23 few days ago.
Oh, happy belated birthday. Happy belated birthday.
Oh, thank you so very much, Adam. That means a lot. Truly. Thank you so much.
Suppose see, nan ಒಳಗಡೆ, if I was scared what people ಜನ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, I wouldn't ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಆಚೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿನಾ? So please never feel bad what other people are saying, because ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅವ್ರನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. You don't have what talent you have, other people will not have. Okay? And if they want to talk, good, let them talk, because hard words break no bones. It's okay, let them talk. Chikku mind, people with small minds, they talk a lot. So
Right.
I admire you. Because nimke you took courage to come up and say that. So I do admire you. Good.
Thank you, Adam. Because I don't see the necessity to hide anything. Nange, I have to be myself. I don't have to be somebody else. But negativity sometimes, when I'm feeling low, those comments really hurt a lot. So that time I feel that why is the society like this? Why is our country like this? Our people who we have to call our own.
See, not
So
of us.
that time I feel bad, but
Before you continue,
yes, I am a bit.
Before you
there,
continue, somebody here, GM Shashank says, Akhil, chillax, bro, meet up sometime, da. And guys, Akhil is my proud brother. Okay, and Akhil, you, as somebody else has said, who is this? I think Lakshmi Lakshman says, Akhil, you're awesome and you are beautiful as a person. So it's okay. It's all right. It's quite all right. And if you idu ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ ನನಗೆ what people are saying, 99% of the people, okay, 99% of the people do not care. Oh, sorry, they don't care. And that 1% are happy that you have the problem. So don't say anything. Just move on, forge ahead. Right? So,
Yes.
what ಏನು derogatory comments pass ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಜನ ಹೇಳಿ? What do people say?
I think sometimes the way I walk or the clothes I wear, Adam, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ they use certain slangs which I can't say out very loud. I can't filter them enough to put it in a proper way for the audience.
ಶೋದು ಹೆಸರು ನೋ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್. ಈ ಶೋದು ಹೆಸರು ನೋ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್. So what do they call you? Tell me. You can use the word.
They call me a disgrace. They say that I'm not worth living.
ಕನ್ನಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
They think I'm not worth living anta stuff. They say that you're not natural. You're not supposed to be here. Don't sit with us. Don't come near us. And when I'm dancing, look how fat he is, and he's dancing altare.
Okay.
So,
and that how did Adu
body shaming, Adam, that also happens. Which
okay. Number one, you know
but
what? Think of it.
Dancing is something that I do out of passion.
You like to dance?
I love to dance.
Akhil, do you know, in the full Karnataka again, I was the first boy to start dancing as a girl. Hudgidu style ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇವಾಗೆ no girl can, I know I've said this before also, ಯಾವುದು ಹುಡುಗಿ, I have not seen professional dancers who can ಈ ಥರ can do the styling and whatever. So don't bother. Please don't bother. You are special, as Lakshmi says, and you don't need such people in your life. Good.
Thank you.
Okay?
Yes.
So,
I think I should build up some confidence in myself, and I should be more accepting of myself.
Absolutely.
And avaga, I think kuda accept nam country nalli nam jagdali acceptance grows and they respect each other's lives. I think everyone should be able to live their own life. Our jeevna nadasbeku. It's none of anyone's business to comment on anyone else's life.
Right. So now,
don't time illa to worry about someone else.
You know what? Are you hungry? That was Akhil and his network. Are you hungry, Akhil?
No, not at all.
You're not hungry? Because
I eat breakfast.
go and eat. It's okay. If you are, go and eat. If you want to dance, go and dance. Dance ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ dance ಮಾಡಿ. ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಿನ್ನಿ. ಯಾರು ನಿಮಗೆ they're not going to feed you or make you dance. What makes you happy? Dancing? So be it. Go dance. Right? Because you never know. Today,
Definitely.
you're living today. Tomorrow you might die. What are you going to do?
Yes.
Absolutely. So go ahead. Okay, Akhil? And anytime anytime problem idre, you know you have me on Instagram. Please DM me. I'd be more than happy to talk to you. If yavaga nimke you just need something to talk, give me a ping. Okay?
Definitely, Adam. Anytime, I will definitely. Thank you so much for saying all this because it gives a lot of confidence and a lot of secure feeling that someone is there to listen, which is very comfortable. So thank you so much, Adam.
Thank you, Akhil. And again, I repeat, Yardo, anybody who has just needs somebody to talk to, but just don't call me between 1 o'clock and 7 o'clock because that's when I'm sleeping. And if you call me, unless you're dying, only then will I pick up the phone. So don't call me that. Okay. So anytime, and don't call me between my shows because then, bitch, I'll come and kill you. Okay. So.
Yeah.
Just if you can WhatsApp me anytime, and I would take time out to reach back to you. Okay?
Definitely, Adam. Thank you so very much.
All right.
I will definitely look forward to it. I hope someday we'll share the ramp walk or someday we'll be doing a show together.
Well, bitch, unless I do a plus size model, only then you're coming on that ramp with me. I want you to stay the same. I don't want any changes in you. If you're large, embrace it and say, yes, bitch, I'm large. Now, so what? Ella? Do it.
Yes.
And then we'll see.
Yes, I will.
Right? Love
Definitely.
yourself. Otherwise,
Right.
nobody is going to love you.
Thank you. Yes, I will love myself, Adam. Thank you so much.
All right. Now, take care. Bye. So, guys,
Thank you so much, Adam.
you're welcome. That was Akhil, our kid problem is there, and he just wanted to talk to me. So, okay, today I'm all yours. I am Florence Nightingale, a beautiful Florence Nightingale. So, next, who wants to come online with me? Let me see. Guru Prakash Reddy. Wow. Request Kalsi ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ please request Kalsi. Whatever you'll want to just talk, you can come online with me. Hi Guru Prasad,
Hello.
ನೀವು?
Fine, what about you?
I'm good. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಾ? What are you doing?
ಊರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ.
Okay. So Guru Prasad, ನಮ್ಮ shows ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿ. Do you like my shows? Celebrities ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. Do you like it?
ಯಾ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ಅವರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್, ಆ ತರ ಇರೋರು ತುಂಬಾ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ.
Yeah, because see, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ and ಬೇರೆ ಜನ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ
ಹೌದು.
ನಾನು when I was growing up, ಯಾರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ. There was nobody for me, so I can call and say, you know what, I'm having a problem. I faced every problem alone. ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ನಾನು ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ what feelings I have inside ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Because they cannot, maybe the strength is not there, but tell me, what the show is good? You like it? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ?
ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಈ ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನನಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನನಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಆಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಶೋ. ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್, ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಶೋ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Thank you. So anyways, thank you nim feedback ke. So Jyoti 86, you're next again. Jyoti 86. So thank you Guru Prasad. Our feedback pe, it really means a lot. Okay? Take care. Bye Guru. So Guru Prakash is also another very sweet follower of mine. He watches Jyoti. Okay, fine. Jyoti, I'll take you. Jyoti SN. Wow. 2 o'clock guys. 2 o'clock. You got to remind me because the entertainment section starts. And Savita Suresh, you're next. Sweetie, you're next. I promise. Oh. You just came.
Hi.
Trupti, you just came, no? How many times are coming?
No, I want to talk to you. That time some call came, so only I get it fast.
Okay. What would you like to talk to me? Come.
You're very good. You're very good in dancing. You're yourself proved. You're superb.
How sweet.
And I watch your scenes in Big Boss and every time. Superb.
How sweet. Okay. But you do know that I'm a boy, right? Adu gottu alva nimge?
Yeah, I know.
See,
Yeah.
Mamuli hudga. I'm a normal boy. Now this
Yeah.
is like acting. Stage ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ we go on stage, ಈ ತರ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು we make fun.
Yeah.
Okay, it is fun.
Yeah.
It is that is what a drag queen is. A drag queen is a more normal boy who goes on stage, dresses up, does the show and comes off. Are they drag queen?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
so
You're entertaining us also. We don't think it's bad.
thank you.
It's not. Yeah, it's not a wish. You can do whatever you want.
No,
We
I can't
can't
do whatever I want. I can't
Yeah.
do whatever I want. So how old are you, Tripti? ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟು?
I'm 12 years old.
12 years old. You are
Yeah.
exactly ನನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡಕ್ಕದು ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳು. My eldest sister's youngest daughter is your age.
Yeah. Can you bring three? Okay, I'm asking you a question. Can you bring 3 members to live?
Which 3 members? I don't know. Only on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp we can do it. WhatsApp ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇದು Instagram ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
But what I'm going to do is, ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಶೋ ತಕೊಂಡು I want to put it on television. Okay? So television
Okay.
ನಲ್ಲಿ a live talk show. So now you
Yeah.
can tell your friends to subscribe to my little handle. Okay? And then ಜಾಸ್ತಿ followers ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ I can take it to the show. Okay?
Yeah, thank you. And why did you block my number?
I didn't block your number, darling. If I block your account, ನಾನು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈವ್ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. That means
Okay.
if I block it, you won't be seeing anything what I'm doing. I never blocked it.
Okay.
That was April Fool joke.
Okay, be chatting with me.
Of course.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
And be chatting with me.
Yeah, I will. I promise I will.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, baby. Oh, that was so cute. I know too much maturity for her age, I swear. But then the children age nali, my God, they're very mature, yeah. Okay, next let me see who sent us request. Wow, look at the amount of requests. Okay, guys, we'll have to listen. Okay, let me take Preetham Holi. Preetham. If you have anything to come on, please do let me know and I will bring you onto my show. Okay? So, network, Airtel, Instagram servers, Airtel. Okay. Preetham, something's wrong. It's not eye makeup, okay, people. Serving it. Lovely. Okay, Preetham, you're not coming on, okay? This network, sorry, Preetham. So sweet, yeah, she was so cute, I swear. Real Ramas, that is so sweet. She was so I want to pinch her cheeks. Look at this bitch there. Okay, let me take Janvi. Santosh, no, I didn't see that. Mahalakshmi, oh my God, what have I forgotten? Okay, wait, let me say hi here. Hi. Adam, I'm ready. Okay, Janvi, wow.
Hi.
Can you see me?
I can't.
Okay, then I'll disconnect and call you back. One second.
Okay. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. The reason why I'm laughing, yakandre, face got stuck in a funny position. I'm so sorry. But I will get you back, okay? Adam, accept my request. Okay. I'm accepting. Okay. Wow. Where is this? What's the time?
Whoa.
What's the time?
2:03, but the things that
2:03.
there's so many people.
And yeah, guys, we are bringing in my oh gosh, where is this? Where is Aniruddha? Where is Aniruddha? Oh my God, Aniruddha, where are you? Ah, here he is. Sorry. Okay. Tyranno drama. We'll be chatting soon. Aniruddha, are you here? Hi.
Yeah, hi. How are you?
I am good, and you are looking chubbier than usual. Oh.
Thanks,
So
Adam. Thanks.
guys,
How are you doing?
Aniruddha was a child artist, a child host, for which ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ Aniruddha.
So yeah, basically I started acting in movies and
ಕನ್ನಡನಲ್ಲಿ Aniruddha.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Yes, ಹೌದು.
Yeah, so basically ನಾನು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಮೂವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ. ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರ ಮಗನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಹಾಡ್ತಾನೂ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ, ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗು, ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗು, ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಹಾಡು ಕೂಡ ಹಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್. ಸೊ ಹಂಸಲೇಖ ಸರ್ಗೆ ವಾಸ್ ಮೈ ಡೆಬ್ಯೂ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ. I had acted in that and sung in that. From there I got into reality shows like Yede Tumbe Haduvenu, Sarigamapa and stuff. From there I went to hosting reality shows, Uniyonu Bara, and then Little Star Singing.
What age did you start hosting? ಯಾವ age in the
Hosting, I think I was in maybe 7th standard, 8th standard, like roughly, you know.
Oh my god, that picture. Okay.
Yeah, I think around say what 14 years, 13, 14 years.
Okay, and oh cute. I can't get that picture out of my head. The video? Oh my god. Okay, so our time in the Nimke fans, you had fans from a very long age. I mean, from a very young age. Long age.
Correct.
Okay, so what age group were your fans? Nim fans the age group, you know?
Basically, there were more kid fans that I used to have at that time. So kids who used to get inspired by whatever we do on TV channels, because ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವೋ, kids if they see their age kids and stuff, they get inspired a lot. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಲ್ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಟೀನೇಜ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೇನೋ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಯೂತ್ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡೌನ್, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ I used to have a lot of fan base at that time. Yeah.
Okay, so all right. So let's start off. Sing a song. Pick a song.
Sure. What do you want me to sing?
Okay, if you were to impress, ಯಾರಿಗೆ impress ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, which song would you sing?
I would sing an English song, like maybe because everyone knows English in your in our followers list. So I'll start off with an English song, but basically ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಜಾನ್ ಹಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So what do you want me to start with? Kannada, English?
You're the singer. Whatever you're comfortable in.
Okay, then I'll just go with this song since I have to impress and stuff. Hope get impressed, or at least you get. Would you dance if I asked you to dance? Would you run and never look back? Would you cry
Stop.
if you saw me cry?
Stop.
Yeah.
Remember, if there is music, yeah, we can't use music. We'll get kicked off. Stop. We can't play from the track.
It's too good.
Yeah. So wait, what I'm going to do is I'll have to ಈ live end ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು and I have to post it before it gets disconnected. Okay, so wait, let me just check.
No. What? I didn't get you.
CD, you can't play the track. You can play -1.
Okay.
-1 play ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, words ಬಂದ್ರೆ gone. Instagram will ban you from using the music.
Yeah, I'm not playing with the words.
Copyright issues.
Copyright
I'm just
issues.
playing the mind track.
Oh. Okay. Do you really need the
Yeah,
music?
I think mind track is.
You
I
have
think
the
mind track is allowed, right?
I think so. Guys, help. Minus tracks allowed. Yes, no, maybe.
It sounds too much like the original. Was he singing?
Yeah, he was singing.
It sounds exactly like it.
You were singing, really.
Yeah.
The-
Okay, no.
What? Come on. Do you really
Because it sounds so
I'll
much
just
like
put some music out there and lip sync?
You were not lip syncing, right? Look at that.
Obviously not. Come on.
Okay.
I'm not that dumb.
Okay, can you sing
I mean,
without
people
the
will
music?
get to know if I'm lip syncing.
Okay,
Yeah,
can you ನೀವು ಹಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ without music?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay, 1 second, then I have to get the lyrics out. Just give me a second. Okay,
That's it,
so here it goes.
To say that to my and he's a singer.
Would you dance if I asked you to dance? Or would you run and never look back? Would you cry if you saw me crying? And would you save my soul tonight? Would you tremble if I touch your lips? Or would you laugh? Please tell me this. Now would you die for the one you love? Oh, hold me in your arms tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. And I will stand by you forever. You can take my breath away. You can take my breath away. So, how was it?
I was like, on top of it, then I'm looking at your cheeks, and I was thinking of the small little child. Wow. Okay, so Aniruddha, Nimke, you started, you took music lessons, you took music classes. Yes, Akhil
Yes.
Ajar says that's a captivating voice. Yes, he has a very captivating voice. So, you took music classes,
Thank you.
music lessons. So, tell us about that.
Yeah. So basically, I started, listening to music when I was like 2 years old, 3 years old. Then I started singing at that age. So my parents recognized the talent in me, and they made me, go to the music class. So first, nanu kaltiddu Sugam Sangeeta. It's called light music, where they teach you Bhavagite and then Dasarpada and all those kind of where the music you learn is very easy. Like, you'll fall in love with music you learn. And ನಾನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದು ಸಾಧನಾ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತ, ರಿನೌಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಮಂಜುಳಾ ಗುರುರಾಜ್ ಅವರು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಶಾಲೆನ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಐ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಮೈ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು there was a song called Mahaprana Deepam anta, which is a breathless song, 5.5 minutes breathless song sung by Shankar Mahadevanji. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದು ಹಂಸಲೇಖ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಸಾಂಗ್ನ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 4 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, which is completely in Sanskrit, and then at that age singing that kind of a song was like something extraordinary, out of the book. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಂಜುಳಾ ಗುರುರಾಜ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಕೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ದ ಡಯಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ SPP ಸರ್ and Hariharan ji, and then S Janaki amma, and then Chitra madam, and so on, like so many people. After that what happened was allinda Hamsalekha sir recognized me, and then I joined his summer camp, Hamsalekha Desi summer camp. So from there
Say
I
summer
got
camp
into
again. Say summer camp.
Sorry?
Say summer camp.
Yeah, his
No.
summer camp. He used to
No,
conduct
say the word
summer camp.
Say the word summer camp. The words.
Summer camp.
Oh God, look at your cheeks. Okay, continue now. I just get distracted.
Okay. You had to look at me when I was, when I was really fat and very chubby and
I'm
very.
sorry. When you were where? When you had chubby
Yeah. And then I was full like gulu. Tumba dappakidde avaga.
Okay.
People used to do like this and stuff. I used to hate it, but still.
One more time, do no. One more time, do. One more time, do. Okay. Yeah. Right.
So from there I got into movies. Hamsalekha sir introduce ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರು ನನಗೆ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ್ದು. For Rakshasa I got a state award, Karnataka state award for the best child artist. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಂಗೆ ಮೂವಿ ಜರ್ನಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್. For all our viewers, ನೀವು ಜಾಕಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾಲ್ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ವಂಶಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾಲ್ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಜಾಕಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾಲಿ ದಟ್ ರಂಗ ಅಂಡ್ ರಘುಸ್ ಸನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ರಂಗ ಅಂಡ್ ರಘು ಅವರ ಮಗನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಇಡ್ಲಿ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಮೆತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ನಿಮ್ ಮಗ ಅಂತ. there's a comedy sequence, so that went viral. Like that's a very huge cinema. And ವಂಶಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಧೂಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. And then I did 2 movies with Ganesh sir, Circus and Malve Mane, and so many movies. Like now I'm doing one with choreographer Bhushan Master. So the one who choreographed Chutu and Natasarvapam, songs like that. So I'm playing the hero's friend's character in that movie. So hope to see how it goes. So from there, yeah, my journey started like towards more towards music and entertainment field.
So, see, from
basically.
the age of 13 ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ, sorry for cutting you in, 13 ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ you were a celebrity from 13 years old.
Kind of, yeah. Like much
You
before
were.
that, maybe. Like
You were.
around
You were.
8 years.
Okay.
From
So 13
7
ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ,
to 8 years. Yeah.
from 13 years old, have you ever had a fan which has grown up with you, your age? Nim ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ they become a fan, become a friend or fan or whatever, and even till date they are in touch with you. Do you have anyone like that?
There is a fan, but not of my age, but ನನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಿರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದಾರೆ. She comments on most of my posts, like all my posts, okay, and she's very sweet. I think her name is Manjula. When I joined Facebook, from there till date, she's been my fan since ever. Yeah.
So sing a song for Manjula, a Kannada song.
Okay.
because she's been your longest fan. So, you know, you can say something nice.
Okay.
Have you ever met her in real life? Have you spoken to her? Or jotige, have you spoken to her? Called her?
I've not met her in real life,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't know. If I get a chance, then obviously yes, I would love to.
Makeup artistry by
But anyway.
Prastu. Makeup artistry by Prastu says, I'm also his big fan from way back. So,
Oh, thank you so much,
What would-
Prastuta.
okay.
Yeah.
now she's also another fan. So, what would you like to tell fans who have been following you from a long time? What would you like personally to tell them? Yen ishta ide personally like
Yes. Loads of love. That's it. Because we whatever we do, it's just for them to get entertained. Like, you get it, right? So we are here to entertain them, and if they show so much of love, then it's the ultimate thing you can get in your life. That's what I feel. So ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಚಿರಋಣಿ. Thank you so much. Loads of love.
And she has requested you, she has a request on top of it.
Yeah.
After giving love, she has a request. Look at her.
Yeah, sure.
Please ask him to sing a song, Yede Tumbi Hadi Deno, please. So, because she's the
Okay.
oldest fan, so.
Sing a song ಎದೆ ತುಂಬಿ ಹಾಡಿದೆನು. ರಾಜು ಆನಂದ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವ್ರ ಸಾಂಗ್.
I have no idea, boy. And you have
Or
to do it without music.
the one from the one which I sang in ಎದೆ ತುಂಬಿ ಹಾಡುವೆನು, or the
Please sing Oh
Itself.
Shana Shana song. Okay, guys. you
Okay,
can-
that was-
He's your jukebox for now. Use him. But no music.
So okay, I'll just
She
sing
says
Oh
yes.
Kshana.
She
That
says
was
yes. She says yes.
HPV old song. Okay, so cool. First I'll sing a Pallavi of Edu Tumbe Haduvenu, and then
In the meanwhile, people tell me what you'll think of my makeup. In the meanwhile, while he gets ready, tell me what you'll think about makeup. Is everything working? You know, the eyes, the top. I know, I'm not trying to impress this child who is Aniruddha, no. He's a child to me, so I'm not impressing him. I'm impressing all of y'all. Okay. Oh my God, and he's put specs. I never noticed that now. Oh. Okay, continue.
I can't read it because the laptop is too far. So here it goes.
Okay, go ahead.
ಎದೆ ತುಂಬಿ ಹಾಡಿದೆನು ಅಂದು ನಾನು, ಮನವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದಿರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು, ಎದೆ ತುಂಬಿ ಹಾಡಿದೆನು ಅಂದು ನಾನು, ಇಂದು ನಾಡಿದರು ಅಂದಿನಂತೆ ಕುಳಿತು ಕೇಳುವಿರಿ ಸಾಕೆ ನಗೆ, ಅದುವೆ ಹಾಡು ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಬೇಕೆ ಬಿರುದು ಸನ್ಮಾನ, ಎದೆ ತುಂಬಿ ಹಾಡಿದೆನು ಅಂದು ನಾನು, ಮನವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದಿರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು, ಎದೆ ತುಂಬಿ ತನು ತುಂಬಿ ಮನ ತುಂಬಿ ಹಾಡಿದೆನು ಅಂದು ನಾನು. So okay, she wants Subba Bhattar Magale. That's my kind of very famous song which I sang in Yede Tumbe Haduvenu. So okay, here it goes. ನೀಲಿನ ಲೆಕ್ಸಿನ ಮೇಘ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸದ ಆಕಾಶದ ಸೀರೆ, ದಿಗಂತಗಳೇ ಮೇರೆ, ನೀಲಿನ ಲೆಕ್ಸಿನ ಮೇಘ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸದ ಆಕಾಶದ ಸೀರೆ, ದಿಗಂತಗಳೇ ಮೇರೆ, ಮುಂಜಾವಿನ ಬಂಗಾರದ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಕೇಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಬ್ಬ ಭಟ್ಟರ ಮಗಳೇ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಂದೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೆ ಸುಬ್ಬ ಭಟ್ಟರ ಮಗಳೇ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಂದೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೆ. So that was Subha Bhattar Magale, and someone requested Okshana. Okshana basically is my song from Ambining Vaisaito. The golden opportunity where I sang for Shri Ambrish sir. So my voice for Ambrish sir is like a dream come true. Yeah. So the music is by Arjun sir, Arjun Janya sir, and it's written by Nagendra Prasad sir. So here it goes. Oh, Kshana, Kshana, ille nillu, dare, dare, oh main nillu helalu, ide hosa vishaya, romanchana. ಈ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೇಮಾಂಜನ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲಾಪನ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಲ್ಲು ದರೆ ದರೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆನಿರು ಹೇಳಲು ಇದೆ ಹೊಸ ವಿಷಯ. Thank you so much.
Thank
for all
you
your
so
love.
much. Okay, very soon we are going to be doing something special. Nan group nalli heltini. Okay, for the audience. So very soon we're going to do something special. Idu, I just wanted to keep this as a fan and follower day. So, and not, too many celebrities. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ break ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು then I'll bring another celebrity. Idu feedback time. How ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಶೋ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? If there is any ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ changes ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, or whom do you want? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you can send me their Instagram handles and I will bring them, I will get in touch with them and bring them on my show. So I hope you like Aniruddha's voice, because I love it. And after seeing him when he was small in that video, okay, I would tell him personally, okay.
Adam, we all love you. We all love you. Whatever you're doing is amazing, because taking your time every day and entertaining people, asking them questions about how their life is going, and talking to them is such a great task. It takes a lot. I know that it takes a lot, and you're just amazing. You're just amazing. Take a
Thank you. Oh my God. If only you were in front of me, I would have hugged you so tight, I would have never let you go.
Virtual hugs.
Thank you, Aniruddha. Thank you so much for coming on my show. And we'll stay in touch. Okay? And
It's a pleasure.
so, take care, and I shall see you soon. Right?
Yeah, I just want to say that stay home, stay safe, everyone. Hope this virus goes off and we'll all fight it together. So let's be strong, let's have hope, and let's kick its ass.
Bye. You take care.
Yeah, bye. Thanks.
Oh my God, that was a wonderful little short singing stint we did with Aniruddha. Nale barta idini with more. Okay, nale celebrity jotege, then solpa nim jotege matadtini. Okay, Savita, yes, I just have a couple of seconds now. 1 hour nalli Instagram will kick me out. So, Davitu Shamsi, if I have not spoken to you all today, I will speak to you all very soon. Innu one fan day organize ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Thank you. And please get in touch with me on Instagram if you have any trouble. If you just need a person to talk to, I'm always here. Take care, people. I love you loads.